The star is dimming for no reason. Its light vanishes in impossible ways. Dust? Dying planets? This is the strangest discovery of the 21st century. This is Tabby's star. You thought you understood the universe? Think again. In 2015, citizen scientists from the Planet Hunters Project, ordinary people combing through data from NASA's Kepler space telescope, noticed something odd. One star, about 1,470 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, was behaving impossibly. But wait, how do we even know that? How can we measure a distance so vast, so unreachable, that it's expressed in the speed of light itself? Astronomers use a few clever tricks. For stars relatively close to Earth, we rely on parallax, a method that works the same way your brain judges distance with two eyes. We watch how the position of a star shifts slightly against the background as Earth orbits the Sun. The bigger the shift, the closer it is. For more distant stars, like Tabby's star, we rely on its light itself. Stars of a known type give off a known amount of brightness. If we compare that to how dim the star looks from Earth, we can calculate how far away it must be. It's called the cosmic distance ladder, a chain of measurements built layer by layer stretching across the universe. Now, a light year isn't a measure of time. Not really. It's a measure of distance. The distance light travels in a year. And light is unimaginably fast, 190,000 miles per second. In just 1 year, it travels nearly 6 trillion miles. So when we say Tabby's star is 1,470 light-years away, we mean this. The strange flickers we're seeing now left that star when medieval cathedrals were still under construction in Europe. We are looking into the past. Through a telescope, yes, but also through time. And the message from that past? Something is wrong with the light. Kepler was looking for planets by detecting tiny dips in starlight. A blink means a planet passed in front of a star. But this one, KIC 8462852, now nicknamed Tabby's star after astronomer Tabitha Boyajian, its light was vanishing. Not by 1% or 2% as a planet might cause, but by 20%, and sometimes even 22%. No known planet, no known natural object can cause this. Astronomers scrambled to explain it. Was it a swarm of comets? A massive asteroid field? Dust clouds? But the patterns didn't match. No repeating cycle, no orbit, just irregular plunges in brightness. And stranger still, over time, the star began to dim overall, gradually, as if it was fading, dying in a way we've never seen. And then came the theory that sent shockwaves through both science and the public. What if something artificial was blocking the light? A massive structure, something truly colossal, orbiting the star. A Dyson Swarm, perhaps. A theoretical array of satellites designed by an advanced civilization to harvest starlight for energy. Was Tabby's star the first evidence of alien engineering? SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, trained its telescopes on the star, listening for radio signals. There was silence. But the idea had already taken root. The alien megastructure star made headlines across the world. Some scientists proposed cosmic dust, grains aligned by magnetic fields. Others suggested remnants of destroyed planets, shattered by gravitational tides. One theory claimed a warped ring system around a hidden exoplanet. Another speculated it was the remains of a failed star merger, debris still falling inward like cosmic ashes. Each theory explains a piece of the puzzle, but none solve it completely. Why does it dim so irregularly? Why so dramatically? Why no heat signature, no dust trails, no consistent orbiting object? Tabby's star behaves like a mystery with half the pages torn out. A puzzle from an alien mind. Or a phenomenon we've never before witnessed. And yet, it is quiet. No signal, no infrared heat from a megastructure. Just a star, blinking. Tabby's star might not be aliens, but it shows us how little we know. Even after centuries of looking at the skies, the universe still keeps secrets. This isn't just a question of light curves and starlight. It's about our place in the cosmos. We want the universe to be understandable, predictable, rational. But Tabby's star refuses to play by the rules. It is wild, it is beautiful, it is unknown, and in that unknown, lives wonder. Maybe it's a natural phenomenon we just don't yet understand. Maybe it's something more, a glimpse of technology a million years beyond us. Or maybe, just maybe, somewhere, light years away, someone built something big. And for a moment, that shadow fell across the stars,